What are the two digits which when inserted in the figure 785,000, 3 blank blank. So we'll make it divisible by 8. So ang divisibility rule natin by 8, ang divisibility rule, dapat ang last 3 digits ay divisible by 8. So wala na tayong pakialam dun sa mga nasa unang digits. Yung last 3 lang ang kailangan natin. Okay, so substitute natin, copyhin lang natin yung 3. So we have 3, then we have 40. Ito tanggalin na natin kasi 63 odd number. So hindi pwedeng maging divisible by 8 yan. So idugtong lang natin ito 320 and then 300. So alin sa tatlo ang divisible by 8? So madali ito kasi puro 0 yung dulo. 'Di ba ang divisible by 8 ay 320? Okay? Kasi 32 divisible by 8. 320 divided by 8. So that is equal to 4. 4 times 8, 32. Okay? So lagay lang natin yung 0. Ang 320 divided by 8 ay 40. So therefore, the correct answer is itong 320 or itong 2 and 0. Letter C. Follow for more.